Hello everyone, myself Rosmi. Today I am presenting as a student of English Department Maharaja Krishna Kumar CG Bhavnagar University. This video has been specially prepared for our virtuous Teachers Day celebration. Today I will be presenting on R.K. Narayan's Malgudi as a microcosm of India. When where we see how a fictional town reflects the real spirit of India. So, this is my presentation. So, let's start. My presentation will be started. So, first, I will introduce as a firstly, I will that is my table of content. So, let's start with the introduction of R.K. Narayan. So R.K. Narayan, born in 1906 in one of the pioneers of Indian English fiction. His create a Malgudi town fiction feel as real as any Indian town. Through a Malgudi, Narayan captured the essence of Indian life, its simplicity, contradictions, and diversity. Why Malgudi? So I am why selected as a Malgudi in these presentations because Malgudi may not exist on any map, but it mirror the experience of ordinary Indians. It represents both rural traditions and the rise of urban modernity. In this sense, it became a canvas where Narayan paint India's cultural identity. So let's Malgudi as a mirror of India. First, as a my first point is Malgudi reflect Indian social, political, and cultural change from the colonial period to independence. The town revolved alongside the nation. It saw the struggle of common people will highlight the value like a family, community, religions, and morality. Theme in Malgudi's story. That first theme about the tradition versus morality, as the story of Malgudi explores the timeless themes. We see a tradition clashing with modernity, the impact of colonial rule and the struggle of the middle class, and the struggle of the middle class. At the same time, Narayan captured the universal humor, emotions like love, loss, humor, and the hope. My second slide about the major work set in Malgudi. So first, in A Swami and Friends, Narayan show a childhood under the colonial education. In the Bachelor of Arts, he captured the youth and identity struggle. My second, my third major work, like The English Teacher, reflect the personal loss and spiritual growth, while Malgudi Days bring everyday life into the focus with humor and warmth. So I am deal with Malgudi as a microcosm. So Malgudi is a small in size but vast in meaning. It represents the Indian in a miniature with a variety of the characters like a student, son, businessman, and a misfit. Through its belt through its belt of humor, satire, and realism, Narayan make a Malgudi as a timeless. So my second slide about the critical perspective. So I will deal with a critic like William Walsh called Narayan the novelist of the common man. Malgudi is both deeply local, rooted in South India and the universal relatable cross cultures. That is why Narayan's work continues to resonate worldwide. Malgudi in a popular culture. So you know that Malgudi is a show, a TV series, and they directed by Sankar Nag, and in 1982, and brought a Narayan story to millions of Indian household for many. It became a symbol of nostalgia and simplicity. Even today, Malgudi continue to inspire literature and films. As a conclusion, Malgudi is not a merely a fictional setting created by R.K. Narayan, but a living characters that breathe with the rhythms of Indian life. It embodies the very soul of India, its tradition, struggle, and a value, and a transformation also through its street, schools, temple, and people. Malgudi reflect the diversity and contradictions of the Indian society, making it a timeless symbol that resonates with a reader across the generation. As a true microcosm of Indian culture and identity, Malgudi captured both the local enhance and the universal spirit of human experience. So that is, I will give me a reference as I have a draw on a work of critics like William Walsh, K.R. Srinivas, Laird, and D. David and the David Atkinson along with a journal and article. This reference provide a academic foundation for understanding Malgudi as a microcosm of India. So thank you. This presentation was specially prepared for the Virtuous Teachers' Day celebration. As a student of the English department, Maharaja Krishna Kumar Siji, Bhavnagar University. Uh, I feel honored to dedicate this work for my respected sir, ma'am. Thank you.